Hello everyone, in today's episode of Let's delve into the darkest dungeon to restore my villa, La Shushei Estate. It's week 6, I already lost 2 heroes I believe. Let's see on the graveyard. Oh, I actually lost 3 heroes already, not 2. Apparently this highwayman was slain by Vile Shambler, and this guy was slain by Vile Bone Courtier, and this guy was slain by Fungal Artillery. Yeah, there are sad people. I already have one guy level 2, and that means he's stronger and he can take on bigger quests. I have 12k money, but I need deeds to upgrade my buildings. At least I want to upgrade guild. So, wait, yeah, I can actually upgrade guild. I don't need
Some
deeds
may
here.
fall, but their knowledge lives on.
Okay, level 1. I want, yeah, for blacksmithy I need pages. So that I could, for example, take Natsu. This is a tank guy. And I can give him better weapon. Let's do this, I have plenty of gold. I will get this guy and upgrade his weapon, this guy, upgrade his weapon, and I will send Alice with them, I believe. Actually wait, this guy prefers to be in the back, this one is the front laner, this one prefers to be in the back, and this one as well. So I need one more guy. I need to go to a stage called, I need like a second slot guy. Not this guy. Probably neither of these either, yeah. Actions in the back here. I guess the Houndmaster, he can attack from up front and he can guard and he can use 3 spells in this slot. Although he's prone to dying, but let's take Blayet. Welcome.
A lawman and his faithful beast. A bond forged
maybe
by
I can
battle
upgrade something
and
here. No, it
bloodshed.
also needs the pages. I'm not spending pages on this yet. I can upgrade to 12 heroes. What else can I upgrade? Maybe I can upgrade something here. Yeah, I need best and shields. I have a lot of best and shields. Okay, nice. This reduces
The front
cost.
line of this war is not in the
Weird.
dungeon,
That's actually
but rather inside the mind.
best and shield.
Curious methodologies and
Okay, let's
apparatus
upgrade like
can
that.
calm even the most tormented soul.
Complete more quests to unlock. What about Abby? I can upgrade Abby. Best and shield as well.
A little hope, however
Let's give them
desperate,
more stress
is never
recovery. I
without
don't have
worth.
any more best, but like I said, first I want to upgrade blacksmithy. I want to be able to get the armors level 1 and level 3. So I need lots of. I actually need shields as well. Well, let's go on a quest. Let's see, maybe I have some trinkets. I do debuff resist, damage to humans. Let me see. I think I'm going to wield. Yeah, this one got lots of shields as a reward. I haven't been Cove yet, but Cove is a veteran level 3 quest, so I'm not sending my party here because I simply don't have enough. Wield is only a long quest though. Light skill chance, 1 speed minus grave robber. Does she even use? Yeah, she actually used blight. Light resist less, so you can poison dart a lot of enemies. I should use these trinkets. I'm not using any trinkets. Well, let's go here. Let's take Natsu, Mary, Warren, and Boliet. Let's use it like that. Okay, sounds fine. And I will actually give this guy this trinket. I think there might be some humans in Warrens, or actually wait, Warrens were the humans. So let's actually disable that trinket. I mean, let's unpack it. And let's go to provision. Yeah, I got firewood now. I need a lot of food. Food is not expensive. I will buy 24 of food. I will get 16 torches, 3 shovels, 1 skeleton key, cleanse items and prevent purge evil. No, medicinal herbs and anti-venom. Okay, I think that should be good. I spent 5,000 on this. Well is full of long winding path. Bring plenty of torches. Yeah, I think I brought enough. So let's delve into this dungeon.
I knew all these paths once. Now they are
Okay.
as twisted as my own ambitions.
So first I will have to go here, then here. I might skip this room and just go here because I need to explore 90% of rooms to succeed. Ooh, this grave robber is actually hitting stress already. Damn. I shouldn't have brought her. She might die. Okay, let's check this. Contact. Nice, 1000 gold right away. I wonder if I run away, do I save the gold? I mean, oh, there was a trap.
Mechanical hazards, possessed by evil intent.
Ooh, fight straight away. Alright, let's poison the guy, this guy maybe. Or wait, maybe let's use these dodgers. Yes.
The ground
Nice
quakes.
crit, and that she will recover a bit of stress, but yeah, they will. Oh, nice dodge. Good job, my grave robber. You know what? I will guard this ally. Or actually no, I shall attack this one. Maybe she will die. Come on, bleed. No, no, don't pull, resist. Ah, crap. I hate when that happens. I can guard an ally, or I can try to... No, I won't be able to kill this target. Rampart. Knock, stun. Okay, let's try to stun this guy. And he also got knocked back. This guy cannot do anything. Now he gets more stun resist. Nice dodge. Okay, let's hit 2 of them.
As the fiend falls,
Good.
a faint hope blossoms.
Ooh, my party is dodgy. But let's try to kill this guy in the back because she applies lots of how is it called? Let's just try to kill. Nice.
Continually
She
onslaught.
applies lots of stress.
Destroy them all.
Ooh, good dodgy party. Okay, what if I poison dart her? That would be 3 blight damage. She will survive with 1 damage, but I can do this. Okay. Now, can I heal someone or should I guard? No, let's just go.
Slowly, gently.
Good.
This is how a life is
Damn,
taken.
I can shoot the guy in the front. Is anyone actually? This guy got hit. Nice crit. I actually recovered 10 stress. Nice. Oh, now they will
Mortality
get stressed.
clarified in a single strike.
Oh, he actually got hit by a lot. He's so squishy.
Press this advantage. Give them no
Okay,
quarter.
like that. I will need to heal this guy next. Oh, next room will be a good room. Oh, might get unused torch. And a thing. Okay, let's use the torch. My light is 83. Let's keep it at 100.
The match is struck. A blazing star is born.
Okay, let's go. Oh, ectoplasm. No, please resist the push. Nice, he resists being moved. So, I can self-heal. Or should I? Let's try to kill this guy first. Take at least one of them.
Their formation
like
is
that.
broken. Maintain the offensive.
Now let's blight this guy. Sniper. I will mark this guy first. And then sniper shot. Nice, good dodge. Not good dodge. Okay, let's blight this guy again. Oh shit, he dodged, so that's not cool. I can do one shot.
Confidence surges as the enemy crumbles.
Please resist. Oh, nice, even better dodge. Okay. That's like a 100% kill. Oh, nice crit. Nice, a bit of stress relief. Actually, let's self-heal. Yeah, he's really squishy, but I guess his dodge is quite high. Oh, this guy dodge is quite high. Should I try stun him or kill him? Okay, he will die. So let's self-heal. And I'm almost full.
Great is the weapon that cuts on its own.
Oh, nice, got 2 pages to this. That's the thing I needed. I will use my skeleton key on the chest. And that's give me some food and 2 pages. I'm almost full here, but I will eat food eventually. I can actually eat the extra food. Eating food heals your guys. Oh, now they wanna eat. So, torch. I should light another torch.
The
Let's
light,
keep on going.
the promise of safety.
Okay, let's try cleansing the malady. That had no effect. Okay. Treasures. So, don't use malady on this. Now I have to go bottom. Another torch.
In Radiance, may we find victory.
Ooh, nice, another treasures. Not much, but always 100 gold. Oh, he fell into trap. I just hope I don't get stressed too much. Oh, ectoplasm. Let's hit both of them. Okay, I can kill one instantly, that's nice. I can kill 2 in 1 turn, and now... Come on, nice! 1 turn kill. Me likey. This room is empty though.
Remind yourself that overconfidence is a slow and insidious killer.
Oh, she didn't get stressed by that. The crate is empty, sad. Some random stress. Yeah, this room is actually empty and there is fight in the way, so I will just go back. Wasn't there a trap somewhere here? Actually, I guess it was already activated. Now let's go here. Oh man, they are getting randomly stressed. Why do you get randomly stressed? Nothing bad is happening. Let's check the loot. There's a map inside. Well, these rooms are empty, but wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, I can only just leave 1, maybe 2 rooms, I don't know how it runs up, the stuff, but I have to go here. And here. Oh, there's a random fight here, and he's surprised. I guess he will die. Let's light him. Oh, he resisted all. Let's hit him. Whoa, what is with this guy resistance? And I cannot hit anyone. Okay. That was a random
Foolish
bandit.
horrors, brought low and driven into the mud.
Okay, now I have to walk here, but there won't be anything. Oh, I should use my torch.
Nature herself,
Good that I brought some.
victim to the spreading
You lose
corruption.
HP if you don't have shovel to
Malformed
destroy
with
these
misintent.
walls. Like here, it's a outgrown thing, and in the other room, it's. I mean, in the ruins, for example, it's a wall. I mean, not a cave-in, or yeah, that's how we call it in English, cave-in. And I don't know what's in the warrens. I don't think there are any cave-ins there, and you don't need shovels there, I believe. Okay, everyone can eat. I brought enough food. Actually, I'm well past the half of the dungeon, so I will camp. While
A spark
camping,
without kindling. It's a
camping
goal
consists of
without
2
hope.
parts, meal phase and skill phase. During meal phase you choose how much they eat, which determines recovery, make sure you have enough food. Skill phase allows you to spend rest points on different hero skills used for recuperation. Let's eat 8, I have plenty of food anyway, and that also heals 10 stress. And now I have 12 here. Save self only, more dodge. All companions, more dodge. 1 companion reduced stress by 10. Here, self only reduced stress by 20. Self only less likely to be surprised until next camp. More likely to surprise monster until next camp. Encourage, okay. This guy got encourage. Self only remove target disease. Self produce a supply item. All companions heals, well they are all full. 1 companion heal and remove bleeding and reduce stress. So I think I will do the all companions 10 more dodge. Okay, and now I will use stress remove on this guy, stress remove on this guy, stress remove on this guy, and stress remove, oh that can be only made on other guys. What about, wait, I have 3, maybe I will use 12 dodge on myself. Okay, rest. Plenty of blood left. I'm coping well despite the madness all around. The divine smiles on this day, it seems. We have used our last log, so that's a blah blah.
Secrets and wonders can be
Wake
found
up,
in the
they're
most
up on us.
tenebrous corners
Oh,
of
that's
this
an
place.
attack. Ambush. No, why do you get supplies? I will guard this guy and get dodge. Plus 25 dodge. Yeah, that guy should be hard to hit. Although, not sure if there will be much to hit. Nice dodge. Yeah. You better not ambush me. Oh nice, and I got
We
extra
require
food.
only the
Wait,
strength to follow
no,
it.
this guy wants to go here, and this guy wants to stay in the back. Okay, like that. So now I need to go to this room, and she is stress relieved for now. Okay, what about I check the medicinal herbs here? That item had no effect, okay. Okay, covered in sticky goo. Slow reflexes, damn, that's not a good quirk, I guess. -1 speed. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, go map inside. The map shows every room. There are all empty rooms, and I have to explore all of them. Like I said, actually, since I'm not stressed, I will let the light go out. Or I might snuff the light out even. Shift, Control, click.
The darkness holds much worse than mere trickery and boogeymen.
Okay. Damnation, Tetanus. Wait, didn't he get like... Okay. Ooh, these are wolves or rabbit gnashers. They are buffed. They have more accuracy and damage. But I can decrease their accuracy here. And I will... Oh, he dodged me. I could have actually used guard. They are using a lot of bleed attacks. But looks like my guys are resisting.
Precision
Nice.
and power.
Another one bites the dust. I could guard an ally. Or I could just delay this wolf. Well, this zombie wolf. They look like zombie wolves. You know what? I will just heal myself. Yeah, you can hit my tank. My tank don't care. I mean, he does not. Let's poison their team. Oh, he dodges. Oh, let's just crush him with my mace then. Ooh, a lot of gold
Seize
in the darkness.
this momentum. Push on to the task's end.
Let's keep on going. I wonder if something will attack me. Come on, I want more fights. I mean, there were plenty of fights in the beginning. Yeah, you can eat. There were plenty of fights in the beginning. I don't need torch. Actually, wait. If I take up the torch, it will sell. Oh, and there was actually 100 gold. It will sell at the end of the dungeon. Continue other. Let's go here. Maybe I find something useful. Old tree covered in poison sap. Okay. Well, I got a key and more supplies and a gem that sells for some gold. That's fine. Alright, and this room is empty, so let's go. I actually could have not
Paths
looked
and
into the
roads
rooms.
bring soldiers and
So I got
supplies.
6 deeds.
Let them arrive unharried.
Then I got some extra. Yeah, you see all the unused supplies are actually getting sold. I only got 5,000 though. I got 6 pages and 4 shields. That's good. And 2 of these guys got Fear of Mankind and a Gambler. That's not cool. Not cool traits. Okay, return to town. That wasn't a good optimized
My
party.
obsession
but they
caused this
still-
great foulness, and it is shameful that I
Okay,
must
could
rely
not
upon
achieve
you to set it
immediately
right.
state and has become frustrated. A new quirk. May not meditate and maniac for money. Ah, okay, it replaced because I think you can only have like five of these negative quirks. Survivalis and nomad wagons are now unlocked. Okay, so unique mind may not meditate. I wonder what. Whoa, she actually got lots of good stuff as well. Cove tactic detection, but she's not doing any damage. I mean, I would like this to be replaced by something else because she's the healer. So let's check through the valleys.
At home in wild places, she is a stalwart survivor.
I think
and a
he
strict
can
instructor.
teach. Yeah, he can teach the camp stats. So these are not important now. Like later, they are nice to have, but you can only choose 4 or 3 of these anyway. Later they are useless. You can, I mean, they can be really useful. What about Nomad Weapon?
Trinkets and
Yeah, these
charms
got
gathered from
nice
all the
trinkets.
forgotten corners of the earth.
Okay, cleansing crystal. This is actually amazing crystal for a guy, let's say Reynolds, right? He doesn't have any blight skills or poison skills or debuff skills, so that would be amazing on him. He would be like resistant to them, and Jester only 2% crit. That's also nice. What does it say? Increase numbers of trinkets and reduce trinket cost. I see. But I'm not spending any shields now. What I wanna do is upgrade Blacksmith. I have enough to do this
Fan
and
the flames,
reduce the cost
mold
of
the metal.
upgrades.
We are raising an army.
So let's say I will send Natsu again. He will have more dodge base. Dodge base 5, he will have dodge base 10 and HP more. Okay. Let's go. Military issue armor. You know what? I will actually send the same party. So this guy improve his. That will give him some crit speed. Okay, and this guy got actually both upgraded. Gain more armor, and yeah, this is more. Yeah, he had no extra dodge. So like that. But anyway, they will go next week. So see you next episode, which will be featuring week 7 of Let's Delve into Darkest Dungeon. Thank you for watching and see ya.